What's up everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to drive a 1996 Acura NSX. This is one of my favorite cars of all time. This car is owned by Great Lakes Vintage Honda on Instagram. Him and I have done a video on this car previously. If you want to find that, I'll put a link below. But today I installed a foot cam, just like the video of Senna driving the Honda NSX, which was actually the biggest inspiration for my channel name, MoccasinDriver. The shoes that I wear are actually a moccasin loafer hybrid designed for driving. So we're going to go ahead and jump in this car and we're going to take it for a spin. So this is the key for the Acura NSX. Go ahead and start it up. Go ahead and rev it a couple times for you. Wow, sounds incredible. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick rip. Can you guys believe that exhaust noise? That induction noise? Just incredible. It's got some really long gearing in it, of course, but it still packs a punch. Responsive on the steering. The shifter just feels immaculate. Feels super connected. Firm steering. You have complete control of this car. Car is an animal. Go ahead and do a simple 0 to 60. This is probably one of the best sounding cars I've ever driven. One of the best cars I've ever driven, period. Tight corner. This car gives you an adrenaline rush. With all the senses that it touches. Not get much better than this car. I really wish they were obtainable. I wish I had money for them when they were selling them for around 30 grand. But now, you really have to save your money. Pulls you out of the corner. It's definitely got enough power. Nothing you really need to worry about. Now can you guys see why it's one of my favorite cars? It was one of my favorite cars before I even knew how it drove. It now I have the chance to drive it for a second time, and with a foot cam at that. Alright everyone, well thanks for tuning in. I'm going to end the video there. We got stuck behind some traffic, but we had a good time. Thanks for watching my second experience in my favorite car of all time, the Acura NSX. It's been truly incredible. Huge thanks to Great Lakes Vintage Honda. Follow him on Instagram. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.